I'm Billy Longfellow from Air Design. We're at the 2017 SEMA show. We're at the Rostra SEMA booth right now. I'm with Bill Simmons. He's marketing director for Rostra Accessories. This is a 2018 Toyota Tacoma that has Air Design's products on it, and I'm going to ask Bill why he chose to work with Air Design.
So this is actually the second vehicle now that we've built with Air Design. At Rostra here, we're huge fans of Toyota, so it was kind of a no-brainer for us to actually get another Toyota in our booth for this year. And one thing that stands out almost immediately to everybody that walks by it is the Air Design equipment. Everybody says, where do I get those door panels? Where do I get those fender flares, the hood scoop? On the last year, of course, we had the bumper and the tailgate applique panel as well. And so it just makes the vehicle, above everything else that we've done with it, stand out, and everybody sees it right away.